Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Bushra Sajid, SAP ID 20150. I am student of MS HCM first semester, and today I'll be presenting my topic Indus Hospital Network, which was assigned by Dr. Naseem Ilyas for the public health project. Indus Hospital Network is basically widely spread over the cities of Pakistan. It is basically working in almost 48 cities of Pakistan. These are the contents which we will go through during the presentation. We will discuss about the background, mission, values, and the facilities available at Indus Hospital. Then we will be talking about the commitments and the physical rehabilitation center at the Indus Health Network. First of all, we will be discussing the background. It was the basic founder of Indus Hospital was Dr. Abdul Bari Khan, and his co-founders, they served in the public sector hospitals for so many years. They envisioned to make a multidisciplinary tertiary care hospital that served the underserved population of Karachi with free and quality treatment. Its building was made operational in the year 2007. The Indus Hospital was set up as a tertiary care and multidisciplinary hospital with 150 beds in the area of Korangi. This is the Korangi campus of the Indus Hospital, the huge building. So we can see that in such a short duration of time, the Indus Hospital got its fame all over the Pakistan. It basically serves as an absolutely free of charge hospital with no cash counter. The Indus Hospital has now evolved into a health network with hospitals and public health outreach clinics spread all across the Pakistan, serving the underprivileged population of Pakistan with no cost, indiscriminate and quality treatment. It basically has a charitable status. So about 300,000 patients a month gets their treatment over here with no cost. Now we will be discussing the missions. The basic mission was to focus on creating an excellence driven, comprehensive, compassionate, and free of charge replicable healthcare system accessible to all. It is to be a non profit entity managed by with the Islamic concept of waqf and funded through donations and zakat, to adhere to ethical best practices in all aspects of its operation while following the Sharia and the law of the land. The mission was to empower the employees and for their spiritual and professional growth and to enhance and build human capacities through quality education and research. The values of Indus Health Network are responsibility to provide healthcare, its excellence in the quality of service delivery, indiscrimination in health delivery methods, dignity, teamwork, integrity, loyalty, commitment, and passion to serve, bring smiles and change the lives of those who cannot afford such a standard healthcare system. So now we'll be talking about the facilities available at the network. The hospital is governed and funded by a philanthropic foundation. As I told earlier, it has a charitable status. Indus Hospital mainly operates on donations from friends and supporters of its services. It provides free treatment, including some medicines. The hospital itself serves mainly the adjoining areas of Korangi and Landhi with a population of about 2.5 million in its 5-kilometer radius, but it also receives patients from the rest of the Karachi. About in 2014, Indus Hospital treats 1500 patients every day for free of cost. It presently the services that are being offered in outpatient or inpatient categories are nephrology, urology, cardiology, cardiac surgery, general medicine, general surgery, orthopedics, in anti-infectious diseases and pain management. So these are the departments in which the network is working out. Moreover, the hospital is also well equipped for the angiography, dialysis, lithotripsy, interventional radiology, molecular lab. It has BSL-3, tuberculosis lab, beside the conventional necessities of all the tertiary care hospital should have. Indus Health Network. So, It is basically changing the paradigm of healthcare provision in Pakistan. Indus has now evolved into the Indus Health Network. The network is currently managing about 12 hospitals in Sindh and Punjab, 4 physical rehabilitation centers, 4 regional blood centers. Pakistan's one of the largest pediatric oncology unit is being run by the Indus Health Network. It has some primary care centers and number of public health inactive initiatives in 52 districts across the Pakistan is all being supervised by the health network of Indus hospitals. So here we can see about this is the map showing the black dots are showing the campuses or buildings of Indus hospital all over the Pakistan. Indus hospital is further to expand its services to the ever increasing volume of patients. The current Korangi campus in the Karachi is being expanded from 150 bed to 300 beds facility to a 1000 bed state of the art facility. With this, a new 600-bed tertiary care hospital is also being constructed in Lahore. Indus healthcare model has been so successful that it's being used as a case study in the Global Health Directory project of the Harvard University, which is a big achievement for Pakistan and for the Indus Health Network as well. After establishing a resource generation network in Pakistan, network has developed an out of Pakistan system to generate more resources. These are the some statistics showing about um, 1,40,000 patients being treated per month with that, and 8,000 admitted. Treatment cost per patient is 1,800. Number of procedures performed per month, that is surgeries, are about or more than 6,000. So the commitments with SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, are good health and well-being. It's the area IH is directly focusing on, basically, whether it's primary health or tertiary care. IHN is actively working it. Sheikh Said Memorial Campus, others maternal, neonatal, and child health programs, IHN's collaboration with the government expanding on EPI programs, global health funded projects for AIDS, TB, malaria, neglected tropical diseases, hepatitis, waterborne diseases. The GHD's programs are supporting the idea of reduction of one-third premature mortality. Hospitals have emergency departments. They are supporting the target of provision of universal access to the sexual and reproductive healthcare services, including family planning and education. So these are all included in the services of Indus Care Hospital. It is also a physical rehabilitation center. In Pakistan, about 1.1 million physically disabled will be in urgent need of physical rehabilitation. So, the Indus Hospital is providing that as well. This rehabilitation center is being achieved by the provision of prosthetic and orthotic devices, mobility aids like wheelchairs, tricycles, crutches, and physiotherapy. These are the some statistics you can see. Rehabilitation center patients are using the artificial devices to walk and to work on their own. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much.